Okay, so they put something on the head.
Big sock.
Like a big sock, yes.
I'm the guinea pig.
So let's see what it's
Excited?
all about.
Yes, very excited to ride.
You're gonna be the first one? Oh wow, she got guts. Okay, here we go. All right, she hops inside.
Come down, take the picture.
All right. The whole group is going. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Oh. Yay! The pig are running with you. All right.